So how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Yeah, thank you.
How have you been learning this language? Tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, definitely. My name is Nasir Ansari, and I do my own business. We do printing on different kind of items, the product which are used for gifting purpose. Suppose if you want to print your company's logo on T-shirt or medal or trophy, or there are many
Okay.
items like diaries, so we can do print on that. So like this, I do my work. And I live in Delhi. I have two kids, and I started my YouTube channel as well. It's been 4 months, and my channel name is English Hatke. So I started this
English
channel.
Hatke. Wow,
Yeah,
it's a very nice, very nice. And
actually,
unique logo, I think.
yeah,
English Hatke. So what is something new or Hatke in your channel? Tell me, please. It is interesting, right?
Hatke means we can upload any kind of content related to the English. That's why I decided that name because there are many
Okay.
common names, and I was looking for something different. So it was just coming in my mind, and I decided to yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
That's nice and pretty good about you that you mentioned. As I love to introduce myself also, and as you know that my name is Monica, and I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English literature and B.Ed honors, and I am working in a private school. KVS, and last year from since last year I am working, and till present, and I am working on my communication skills as well. Last 6 months ago I started my channel in the month of October 2025, and till now I am enhancing, and with the grace of God, I am enhancing much, and I can see a lot of changes since I started my channel or communication to different YouTubers and persons, and this is a good experience for me also. That's pretty much about me.
Nice, nice, great. Okay, so you are teaching in KVS school, that is English medium, I think, right?
Yeah, central government schools.
Okay, central government school. So usually you talk in
Yes.
English with your students, or you talk in your native language?
This is the bilingual. The way of communication is bilingual, remains
Okay.
bilingual in my school. Yeah,
Mhm.
English to English is not essential and compulsory. If you are comfortable in English to English, the students can understand properly, so you can communicate with them. But in my school, bilingual things is going on, because principal recommended the teachers that if you are comfortable English to English, you can go through, and if you are not comfortable or students is not comfortable, so you are go through bilingual Hindi and English both. So
So,
both things
okay,
we can do.
because my kids, they are studying in English medium, and even they are not able to speak correctly. But I involved with them for it's been 3 years. So now they can speak good English because I do practice with them regularly. Otherwise, in school, they don't have that kind of environment. Sometimes, their teachers, they talk in English only. English teacher subject, she speaks only in English. Otherwise, the rest of other teacher, they speak in Hindi only. So, but
Hindi only. Okay,
yeah,
you live in Delhi. Okay, so in Delhi, schools are so good and fine. CBSE schools are there, right?
yeah, they are studying in CBSE school. That's why I'm telling you, because you are teacher, and we should change the study process of our school, because we are paying, I'm paying high fees to provide good education, and because I had somewhere, because I did my schooling from Hindi medium, and I struggle a lot
I
to
totally
English.
resonate with your statement, sir.
Mhm.
I totally resonate and agree with you. But because now nowadays every school, whether it is CBSE, whether it is ICSE or high profile schools,
Mhm.
they are not emphasizing on the communication skills of children, right? They are emphasizing only completing the syllabus. That's all.
That's why I'm telling you, we
Yeah.
should have at least that kind of subject. Like we have, games period, we have activity period. Why we must have at least weekly one.
Communication period is also
Yeah,
there, no?
definitely
Mention.
only 2 3 periods in a week. That is quite enough, I think, because
Yes, yes.
nowadays English is very important and communication skills is very important. If
Right.
you are, if you have completed, after completing your educational qualification, what you will do? Some people, they go to the public sector, some goes, go to the private sector. If you are looking for private sector, your English must be good at the good level. Then only you can crack the interview. Otherwise, it's very impossible thing.
Right, right, right. Because this is a global word. Everybody wants to learn this language by hook or by crook, and become a fluent speaker also. But nowadays, academics, if we talk about schools or academic schools, they are not emphasizing this communication skills, because they are emphasizing only completing the syllabus, whole syllabus, full year syllabus. They have to be completed, because now this is the burden of them, that only syllabus focusing, syllabus completed center. They are not a child centric education provided in every school, whether it is CBSE or ICSE or MP board, any state board, I would say. But they are not emphasizing child centric education. They are emphasizing only teacher centric education is there, not
But
child centric education, I
I'm
would
not
say.
I'm not saying they have to create unnecessary pressure on the students. I am just saying they can try, they can start with the simple sentences. At least they should know how to speak or how to have the communication in English little bit. Being an English medium student, I think they should have that kind of ability to speak in front of someone, because
But
in
actually,
only.
my son is also in UKG standard
Mhm.
right now. Now he has come first in standard in this year, but he speaks small sentences automatically, because his class teacher and his school environment is the providing some kind of stuff of English, right? And I am also an English teacher, so I also getting pushing him every day. You
You
know
know
this,
this.
you make the sentence, you make the picture composition. I will just say, for example, I am giving a mango, any fruit. Tell me five sentences over this fruit. So this is the practice of, because only parents are very anxious. Every parents are anxious to take this communication skills. How can we develop this skill in our child, in our children, right? So, but schools are not providing this kind of environment.
I re-
Although they have a good education, although they have a good infrastructure of schools,
Mhm.
CBSE or ICC, but English communication is less skills
Yeah.
in the schools.
Because
Yeah.
I raised many times when I attend the PTM meeting, I raised this question many times. But they all the time they do the promise with me, we will try, and still they don't. But you won't believe, when it takes 15 minutes to my kid's school to my home. So when I pick them from the school at the time of relieving, we usually we commute by the scooty. So when they sit on a scooty and we start a journey to home, so I give them a little bit, simple topic, and I ask them to talk on that. Sometime I give the movie name, or sometime whatever they want to speak. So like this, it's been 3 years, and now at least they are able to speak, and they are encounter to anyone. Now they have the good confidence. And when my elder son,
Yes, yes,
he
yes.
also made video with me. So like this, every parents, they cannot do like this, because we know English and we are in touch with the English. That's why we are able to do that thing. Otherwise, many parents, they are not able to speak English, or they even though they are not literate, so that
Not
that time they have the problem, and they are paying
yeah.
good
Those
fees.
people. Yeah.
Because in my area, that is very standard school, and I searched many schools, and then I decided to admit in that school. So the fees also is very high than other school. So every parents expect that.
Right, right. But environment is good. Schools actually provided only the curriculum things like scholastic or non-scholastic development, right? But they are less attentive regarding communication skills, I would say, because in this is the same problem in my kids also scenarios. Like I am also facing continuously this problem because he is not even when he is right now 7 years old, and now he is coming in first standard. So I am very nexus that ki communication skills I have to be develop in him because he is in a child. He is a very toddler stage right now, right? And whenever his standard is increasing day by day or every year, so English is very necessary.
Yeah,
So
value added.
I have to always pushing him write down 4 or 5 sentences on any kind of picture composition you do, so that you can enhance your knowledge in English, and it and practicing in English also. At least mouth like a mouth muscles are
Yes.
also ready for speaking, because if we push out of suddenly that you have to speak out by hook or by crook, so children becomes panic most of the time. But gradually, slowly, or every day, and it makes a routine. You have to
Yes,
fix a routine with your children, that
definitely.
you have to make them ready for mentally, or like a interesting thing, like compositions, like something else, like whenever you go outside for the with your children, so you can watch, like this is a tree, and tree, what kind of things the tree gives us. So he always make them 1 or 2 sentences on your own language, so I becomes very happy.
This is
So yeah, parents is the first actually first
educator. Yeah. First,
environment and
yeah.
first tutor for their
Yeah,
children,
first
right?
tutor, first
And
educator.
schools only a support system, actually I can say. Schools and institution are only support system for us.
Definitely.
But on the other hand, I would, if I talk about myself, I am also from Hindi medium, and from government school. I have passed out, and my whole education from Hindi medium. I am facing so many problems, and still I am facing. But no worries. Like consistency matters a lot in this language, right? And I always trying my best to maintain my consistency on my YouTube channel also, and in my school's arts also.
Yeah.
So tell me something about your YouTube channel. Who motivates you
You
for
won't
learning
believe
this language?
you won't believe my elder son. He suggested me to create the channel because I
Okay.
talked with him many times, sometime at home also. So he suggested me, Papa, now you can deliver your content or on YouTube because now kids are very intelligent. They are very smart. So because
Your elder son is in which standard?
he is in eighth class
He
now,
is in
he
eighth.
is promoting for ninth. He has just completed eighth class now, and
Okay, okay.
yeah. So he
So
he's
he always, yeah,
yeah.
pushed you.
Yeah, he pushed me, and I next day I created my channel, but one problem, persists for me because I don't have much time, free. I don't have spare more time, so that's why I was decided what content I have to upload on my YouTube channel. So then I went through some channels, and then I got idea. Conversational, videos is very good, and we don't find new content. That headache is not there. So I decided
But
to
at least
upload
you
the.
tried, na. This is good. You tried at least, because in your busy schedule, after everyone is busy in this world, but after you want to take out some time from your communication skills. So this is good.
Because it helps me to improve my business also. I
Yeah.
visited sometime to the offices, to companies, and some schools, good schools, are also my clients. And last time, last year, I visited one school that is situated in that is situated nearby Ames. Safdarjung Enclave, that is area code. And the school name is Ambience Public School. I shocked that time when I entered in the school. The environment is very good. Even the gatekeeper, he asked me to sign in English. You have to sign over here in this register, then you will get the entry. Like I shocked,
Okay.
oh my God, what an environment here. And then I entered in the school. I talked with with receptionist, and she gave me. And then I asked them, I have to, and I have fixed appointment with the principal. Then she asked me to wait there. And when I started talking to the principal, that time also I shocked because she was talking in British accent. Oh my God. You
Different
know,
different accent
yeah,
you was
yeah.
facing at that time.
I showed my samples because she wants some samples from my side. I carried that sample and I show my
Okay.
samples, and then they decided to they gave me one order of cap, 500 caps order. They gave me that time. It was confirmed. But next time she actually impressed me. She she told me many vendors came and they were not able to speak in English. You are the only one who talked in English. That's why she gave me the order. And that in this
Okay.
yeah in this manner it helps me a lot. That's why I'm saying yeah
Yeah,
English is
yeah, right.
yeah,
In your profession also definitely, and your profession become increasing one step ahead. If
yeah,
you talk in English to anybody else, they astonished at that time because less people are facing English to English conversation because some people are hesitated. How
that's
can
right.
I talk to in English in front of others? Because uh, people think that he's like a flaunt, he's flaunting your English,
Yeah,
but some people are natural understand that nowadays this language has become very very important for
yeah,
us, for every people,
you're
right?
right because my younger son, he is not ready to talk outside. He all the time he says, Papa, it looks like we are showing off in front of the people. We know English. I I make him understand many times, but it's not like that. We are just doing practice. That it nothing more than that. But he is not
And
ready.
people look sophisticated person also if we are using English words and English communication to each other. People thinks that he or she is a sophisticated person, right? Because education means not always we speak in our mother tongue. No, education teaches us a lot of lessons in our life, right? If we see any person, they are they are very good in English, they are very good speaker, but on the other hand if we see ourselves, we are not good in communication. Why? Because we this is our mistake, because we realize that we are like a flaunt the people. No, it is not flaunting, it is natural, because English is becomes a global language, and it is very essential.
Yes. Actually, I also got
Yeah.
call.
So there are some questions, one or two questions, which I am want to ask you.
Yeah, definitely. Go ahead.
Can Yeah. Okay. So my first question is that if you are going anywhere and like a picnic spot, and where you met you would meet one or two foreigners like
Mhm.
native speakers.
Mhm.
So what kind of language you used in front of them?